Has this ever happened to you?
One eternity later.
Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that right after this.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Small Soldier 10-minute tips and techniques. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the parting line on your rubber road wheels on your Armour models. This is a quick technique that will take you half the amount of time that it would normally take you to do it by hand. I'd like to show you just a few tools that you may need to perform this task. The first being a medium sanding stick of some kind, an X-Acto knife with a number 11 blade attached, a flat metal file, a round sewing needle of a thicker variety like this, a motor tool of some kind where you can attach the road wheel to get it to spin, and a diamond tip burr like this if you can get them, or some type of mandrel that you can use to attach to the inside of the road wheels, like on the inside of the hole there. So let's go to the bench and take a look. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is find yourself some sort of mandrel that you can fit into the end of your motor tool. I'm using the Dremel Micro, and it's rechargeable. You just put this end into the recharging station and it charges quite fast. It's a variable speed. As you can see, there's 5 settings here to choose from, going from low to high, and your speed button is here with this blue button. This locks the chuck, so you just lock it, turn it, and your mandrel comes out. And this is an accessory piece here that you can buy, and it just dials down to the size of the shaft that you'll be applying to the tool. There's a joke in there somewhere.
That's what she said.
Just open up those teeth, place the tool back inside, tighten that up. And what this is here, if you're looking for it, from what I remember, I got these at a place called Model Expo. I'll see if I can find that and put a link in the description. As you can see here, I've got a collection of diamond tipped burrs, and they come in various sizes, shapes, but what I like them for as well is they have this very textured end which allows you to place the hole of your road wheel over top, and that textured end holds the road wheel to this. And by having the varied set here, you'll find the size that will be appropriate for the hole on the road wheel to fit this to. Alright, so back to the task at hand. I'll just show you one of the road wheels that I've completed already. And as you can see, that mold line comes off real nice and clean, and it's fairly level. And then with my knife, which I'll show you when we go to do the demo, I can add chip marks to the tire itself while it's spinning. And as you can see here, I have the 2 sides of the road wheels. And this one here, I won't need a mandrel because I'll be able to chuck it up right on that. This one's just going to be sort of floating free, so what I do is just place that into the hole there, push it on tight, spin it a little bit, and then place the motor tool down flat, and then just kind of level it out a little bit. Remove the attachment points to the sprue first. And once those are gone, then you're ready to go. What you're going to want to use first is the metal file. Hold that against the plastic road wheel and just let the file do its work. And then after a couple of seconds, just check it. I can see it needs just a little more, so I'm going to turn it on one more time and go at it a little bit more. Next, just take your medium sanding stick and perform the same treatment to the wheel. And now, as you can see, the mold line is completely removed and that road wheel is very smooth. And that took all of a matter of maybe a minute to do, not even that. So next thing I'm going to do is turn my motor tool down as low as it'll go. So I'll just turn that on again. You can see I'm dialing it down to 5. And then with your X-Acto blade, all I'm going to do is just randomly, you can make it harder sometimes or less. Sometimes this wheel may bounce off. And as you can see, I got some random damages to the wheel there. So as the final step, what I'm going to do is just go over this quickly and clean up any burrs that may have occurred as I was doing that. And then the last thing you'll do is take this round metal needle, just go in and rub it over the areas where you chipped off those parts, and that'll give those areas a bit more of a worn look. It'll make them look more natural if you do it with the needle here. And there you go. That took all of about a minute to do that, to remove that seam and chip the tire up. You're on to your next. So for the other half of this one, it already has the attachment point for me. Tighten that down, and I can start spinning that. And same thing. And there you go, that part is done. Now we can just go to the sanding stick here, buff it out a bit. All in about 30 seconds, that parting seam is gone. Now you don't need to chip up every road wheel, so I'll probably leave this one and continue on with the rest. Well, hopefully I didn't tire you with too much information in this video.
It's just a joke.
I hope you picked up a couple things from that tutorial, and if you did, and you like the content here on this channel, please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification, give me a thumbs up, and share this video with somebody in this great modeling community. Well, that'll be it for this video, so I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.
Right, Tex?
That's right, Edna.